0.1 divided by 1000. In 1000 we have 1230, right? And this number is power of 10. 10 to the power 3 means 1000. So to divide you need to move decimal. How many places? Equal number of 0 in the power of 10. 1230. So decimal point will move right, left to right, right to left, right to left, 3 place. 1 2 1 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. Yeah, these are placeholder value, right? So your answer is decimal 0001. You can also place another 0 to mean that this is less than 1. Look, there are power of 10. These are called power of 10. These are also called power of 10. But these are greater than 1. These are less than 1.